Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some long to pixie haircut transformations. So here we have the stylist cutting off a ponytail. This person does have very curly hair, and it looks like they're going to be doing an undercut pixie with this particular transformation. So because her hair was so thick, the stylist had to cut it in two separate ponytails. So it looks like she ended up getting a beautiful curly pixie. Texture looks amazing. And if she wanted to, she can actually wear that straight or curly. So then we do see another curly pixie transformation. It looks like she had heat damage because her ends were straight, and the stylist is just kind of cutting off all that damaged hair and turning the hair into more of a curly pixie cut. Gorgeous. And if you guys are feeling inspired by any of these hairstyles featured in today's video, don't forget to give this one a like, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we see someone with long mid-length hair getting their hair cut into a pixie. And then we see this baby pixie. This one features beautiful baby bangs in the front, a little bit of choppy layers. Gorgeous blonde pixie cut for this one. This one almost looks a bit like a mixie cut. Very pretty and chic. Gorgeous bangs in the front. Flipped back, absolutely breathtaking. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these pixie haircuts with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.